Yes. Can anyone tell me? Okay, when there's a plane surface, the car moves fast, right?
Yes. Mute your mic.
Yes. And
Mute your mic.
when there are like jumps or anything, like जब हम खड्डे वगैरह होते हैं तो हमारी गाड़ी स्लो होती है या नहीं, हम तेज चलाते हैं गाड़ी? स्लो कर लेते हैं. So that is the force of friction. Okay. Number 2, friction between the bottom of your sneakers and the ground. How are you able to walk on the ground? How? अगर हमारे पास फ्रिक्शन नहीं होगी तो क्या होगा? हम स्लिप होंगे या नहीं होंगे? Everyone unmute yourself.
No. Look.
हम क्या स्लिप होंगे या नहीं होंगे? Yes. आयशा कामरान, क्या होगा?
व्हाट्सएप पे देखो कोई कॉल आई है.
Yes, आयशा.
होंगे अगर फ्रिक्शन नहीं होएगा.
फ्रिक्शन नहीं होगा तो हम स्लिप होंगे. That is why
स्लिप
friction.
होएंगे.
जी.
हमें
Okay.
स्लो
डाउन करता है हमें. Excellent, Aisha. So now the third one is rubbing your hands, which we have already done it like this. Like this. Okay. So there's a question for you. Everyone pay attention. More friction and less friction. Okay, so I'm going to ask you a question and you all have to answer me. Okay. Okay. So okay, so where do you think you can push the box easily? On a rough surface or a smooth surface? Okay, who will tell me? There's a boy pushing a box on a plain surface and there's a boy pushing a box on a rough surface. So, where do you think you can push the box easily? Yes.
Smooth surface.
On rough surface. Yes.
Not in rough surface. In smooth surface.
On a smooth
surface.
Why?
Surface.
Why on a smooth surface and why not on a rough surface?
Because it is the mat.
Okay, that is a mat, but okay. What do you think? Okay, students, listen. Where do you think the friction is more? On a smooth surface or on a rough surface?
Smooth surface.
We have less friction or more friction?
More friction.
More friction. Very good, Zoya. Okay. So, shall we move to the answer? You all have seen the pictures? The boy is pushing a box on a plain surface and another boy is pushing a box on a rough surface. Let's see what is the answer. Okay. So, the answer is... Yes. Can you all see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So, the answer is... We have less friction. Okay, students, I'm muting you all. Very good, Tasbiha. Good. Okay, so what is the answer? The answer is we have less friction on plain surface and we have more friction on rough surface. That's why we cannot slip on a rough surface. Okay. So, are we clear on this? Yes. I will question you that after the class, okay? Yes.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, Neha. Where do we have less friction? On a plain surface or on a rough surface? Is that very good? I can see your hand. Yes, Neha. who is going to answer me now? Okay. Yes, Isma. Isma will tell me where we have more friction, on a rough surface or on a plain surface. Yes, Isma? Unmute yourself.
Plain surface.
We have less friction or more friction.
On plain surface.
Yes, Isma. Okay,
Plain.
student.
Plain.
Very
Plain
good.
surface.
Okay, everyone unmute yourself. Quickly.
Done it, miss.
Good. So, where do we have less friction? On a plain surface or on a rough surface?
Plain surface. Plain surface. Plain surface.
Very good. And where do we have very good. And where do we have more friction? On a rough surface or plain surface?
Rough surface.
Very good. Excellent, students. Okay. Now everyone mute yourselves quickly. Yes, I will repeat it again. Don't worry about it, Neha. Okay, so we have another question coming up. Where do you think you can walk easily? On the road or an ice? I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Think of an answer quickly. No,
What
no.
you say?
Where do you think?
Repeat again.
Okay. Just wait, students. I'm repeating the question again. Just listen carefully. Where do you think you can walk easily? On the road or an ice? I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Think of an answer quickly. No, not like this. Not like this. Not like this. Students, not like this.
Ice.
Not like this. Just raise your hands. Not like this. Yes, very good. Very good, Rohma, Aisha, Javeria, Aisha Kamran. Excellent. Yes, Fatma, very good. So, very good is Tasbiha. Yes, where do you think you can walk easily? On the road or an ice?
Road.
No, Manahil, no, I'm not listening to you. Not like this. I want you all to raise your hands. Okay, so I'm going to, yes, we have over here is, yes, Ahmad Ali. Where do you think you can walk easily? On the road or an ice? Very good participants, those who are raising their hands. Excellent. Yes, Ahmad Ali.
I will do my homework in the evening.
Good, Manahil. Yes. Okay, Ahmad Ali, I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Quickly come up with an answer. Okay, now. Hi, Fatma. Okay, tell me the answer, Fatma. Quickly. Where do you think you can walk easily? On the road or an ice? On the road. Very good, Fatma. Why do you think you can walk easily on the road? Not like this, students. Just raise your hands. Yes, Fatma. Okay. Fatma, am I audible to you?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so tell me, why do you think you can walk on road easily?
Because it's a walking road.
That's good, but what other reasons do we have?
Because it is a walking road.
It is a road, but road is a plain surface or a rough surface?
Rough.
Very good. Rough surface. Excellent. And that's why we have more friction on it than on ice. Are we clear on this? Why we can walk on road easily? Because road is a rough surface and we have more friction over there. Yes. Okay. So who is going to tell me why we cannot walk on ice?
Because it is.
Yes. Okay, just wait. Hey, just wait. Just wait. Students, just wait. Yes, Aisha Amir. Yes, Aisha. Why we cannot walk on ice?
Because it is slippery on ice.
Because slippery and ice. And what other reason?
Hello,
Is it a plain surface or a rough surface? It's a plain. Yes, very good. So, okay, students, just wait. So, I'm going to ask you again. Can you see this example? Look, we have a boy who is pushing the box and friction is on the other direction. Okay, friction works oppositely. Am I clear to? For example, I'm walking like this and friction is acting like this. Can you all see me? Okay, for example, this is a car. The car is going on the road and friction is working in opposite direction like this. Can you all see it?
Yes.
So, are we clear on this topic? Yes. Okay. Now, now I'm going to ask everyone that what is friction? Yes, Muhammad Ali. What is friction? Yes. Okay, everyone just wait. Muhammad Ali, what is friction? Everyone just think of it. What is friction? I told you all. Very good 8 participants, those who raised the hands. Excellent. Yes, Muhammad Ali. Can you hear me?
Friction is when you two things together, there is friction.
When you rub two things together, that is friction. Very good. Okay. So, okay. Can you all come up with an example? Quickly come up with an example. We have lots of examples. Quickly. Any example anyone wants to give? Yes. Barira, Manahil, you want to give me an example of friction?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Tell us. Tell us all.
Teacher, me
Okay.
फ्रिक्शन का अपोजिट साइड पर होता है जो अपोजिट हेलो मिस मेजबी
Okay,
Hello,
yes.
beta. Just
Arshian.
concentrate towards your studies.
Arshian, give me an example of friction.
Teacher,
Me. Okay, Arshian, you have 2 minutes. Quickly think of an example. Yes, who wants to give an example of friction?
मिस मैंने अभी क्लास ज्वाइन करी है
Oh, okay.
on a mat.
Okay, very good. I pushed the box on a mat. Very good. Yes, Javeria Javed. Yes, Javeria. Do you have an example? Unmute yourself.
टीचर फ्रिक्शन हमें स्लिप नहीं होने देता.
Very good. Okay, so I'm going to give you homework. You have to write 3 examples of friction. Okay, this is your homework for today.
Miss, can I?
Yes, sure, you can.
Washing machine. Push along the floor.
Is it a plain floor, a plain floor or a rough floor?
Rough floor.
Okay, so on a rough floor, excellent. So do we have less friction or more friction on a rough? Yes. Do we have more friction or less friction on a rough floor? Okay, who will tell me? Very good. More friction. The answer is here. We have less friction on plain surface and we have more friction on rough surface. So, am I clear to you all? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, good, Zoya. Yes. Ali Ahmad, Aisha Kamran, Fatma, Manahil, Isma. Yes.
When we rub using that construction.
Come again.
Yeah.
So I'm going to play a video. Rubbing is also an example of friction. Can you hear? No, Ali Ahmed.
When you are rubbing.
Rubbing. When we rub something on the paper, then am I clear to you all? Am I clear? Okay, just wait. Yes, very good. Now I'm going to play a video on friction. You all have to watch it very carefully, okay? Yes.
Yes, I love watching videos with coloring in.
Can you all see the video?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Good.
Yes, miss.
Okay, okay.
Soccer.
Okay, now.
Force and friction. Force. Look, is the ball moving? No. The ball will move only when it is pushed. A small push will move it a short distance. A large push will move it farther.
Do not unmute
Thus,
yourself.
when you
students.
push, you move the thing away from yourself. Now, look at this trolley.
Will you stop this video for a moment because I'm leaving?
Or else,
Okay,
it will
okay. Yes, Miss Majabeen.
Because the light
Okay.
goes off now.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Now,
everyone,
kids,
everyone
okay,
listen to
Allah
Miss Majabeen.
Hafiz, and take care of yourself, okay? And join Miss Allah Hafiz to all of you. All the best. Yes.
Allah Hafiz, Miss. Okay, now,
Allah Hafiz.
thank you so much, Miss.
बोलो मैं तमीज से दो इस मैच भी नहीं आ रही है this is
remain at its place. When you pull, you bring the thing closer to yourself. Thus, we say a force is a push or a pull that is exerted to move things. Friction. Early man accidentally discovered fire by rubbing two flint stones together. While doing so, sparks were ignited. The friction between the stones created the sparks. Now, rub your palms together. First gently, quickly, and hard. Do it for 1 full minute. Your palms became warm when you rubbed them against each other. The harder you rubbed, the warmer they got. The friction between your palms made them warmer. The word friction comes from a Latin word which means to rub. When two surfaces come in contact with each other in such a way that they rub or chafe against one another, friction occurs. When the base of the thing being moved and the surface on which it is moving are smooth, less friction is generated. But if either one is rough, or in some cases both are rough, far more force has to be applied as friction is greater. Do you know, mountaineers' boots have spikes as ice is slippery and the friction is very slight in regular shoes. Thus, in our everyday life, we see many examples of how force and friction play important roles in everything that we do.
टीचर आप मुझे समझ आ गया फ्रिक्शन? बाबा मैं अपना वो वीडियो बंद कर क्या मैं वो कर लूं, पानी पी लूं? वीडियो बंद कर तू टैब की आवाज नहीं आ रही।
Can you all hear me?
मुझे आ गया। Yes, teacher.
Okay, so friction plays an important role in our lives. Okay, for example, when we light a matchstick, we rub the box and matchstick to light it up. Okay, you all can do it at home as well and let me know what happened to it. Okay, when we take a slide, that is also an example of friction. So I'm going to give you you have to write 3 examples of friction from our everyday life. Okay, am I clear to you all? You can use Google as well. Okay, so are we clear on this topic that what is friction? More and less friction? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Very good. Now you very good, Fatma. Excellent, Aisha, Kamran, Ahmad Ali, very good. So now you can all join your ICT class. I'll see you 2 red at 3:30. 2 red. I'm going to see you all at 3:30. Okay?
Okay.
Allah Hafiz, everyone. Yes. Yes, Aisha.
कब ज्वाइन करना?
अब आपको 3:30 पे मुझे ज्वाइन करना है. ओके, आयशा? Okay, Allah Hafiz.